There's a view down the road. Where those guys are down there is about where our house is. A drive into our house. And so that way is the village of Morin. And it's just sunset, as you can see. There's the barley field. I think that's wheat over there. Wheat there. There's the canola. And here's some kids coming down here. Lickety split. So, kids. Hi! And over there is Fuji. All kinds of people on the road. Bonjour!
Comment allez-vous? J'ai failli tomber moi.
Oh! C'est bon!
Maman, on vient depuis là-bas ou tu vas aller en haut? C'est là-bas, hein? Dans une petite descente là?
La monstre descente.
Ouais. Ouais. Bien, wow. C'est joli, ça donne bien?
American.
Ah,
Yeah, it's a movie.
Wow. Ce movie, c'est enregistré.
Yeah, a little video cam. Yeah.
Ah ouais.
Petit video cam.
Super.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty neat.
You from America?
Yes, from
America Sud.